Tell me what the stars are like back home in Tennessee. Cole, you know that you can tell me anything.
I hope you see the light. I hope you see the light.
Far away from city noise, you hear the rustling leaves. I thought coming here might put your mind at ease.
I hope you see the light. I hope you see the light. You're a long, long way from home, in a city that you barely know. And I know you feel alone, but that doesn't mean you're on your own.
Moving places doesn't mean the past stops chasing you. So it's better to embrace it. Life is short, so why not see it through? Familiar faces blur the line between what's false and true. Moving spaces doesn't always make you new.
When you wish upon a star in the night, you should know that I'm wishing with you. And I'm hoping that you see the same light, 'cause I know that your friends, they forgive you. And I know that you've been feeling afraid, but I also know you're ready. Change finds a way. Change finds a way. Change finds a way to heal. Is now the time to say I've never seen a shooting star.